Hey guys, so welcome back. I promised you this video a while back and a lot of you have been asking about it. So here it is. This is our temporary kitchen, family room, storage room, everything room until the upstairs main floor gets completely done. So let me show you quickly what we have going on. As you can tell, this right here, well, at least this one here, is gonna be kind of where we eat, prep. Let me grab you here and show you around. So we have all the essentials that we need. We have microwave, boom. We have fruit, water bottles, disposable cutlery. We don't always use it, but it's there if we want it. Coffee maker, highly needed. And then a toaster oven. We do also have an induction range, what do you call that? Induction burner, boom, induction burner under here. If we pan this way, we have the refrigerator there. This is, where we typically put our jackets when we used to come in. We just put it down here for now. You have Oslo's food, then Oslo's walking away. See, up these steps are where you would get to the main floor. This is the family room down here. Coming this way, you see we have all of the furniture that was in the upstairs main floor, all the stuff from the living room. The old stools from the old kitchen, which we still have. I'm not sure why. Over here, this is our pantry. What do you guys think of this, huh? So we have all of our stuff, or most of our stuff in here. This is Oslo's little storage wheelie cart thing. In there is my studio. Quick little open, lets her off so you can't really see much in there. Over here, we have the half bath that's come in handy that we use. And then over here we have the laundry room / sink area / more pantry stuff. So putting some stuff in here, more stuff over here. So yeah, it's been drying rack right there. So, it's working, definitely. It's been useful, a lot of bit different than, what we're normally used to, but this is only temporary until we can get the kitchen done upstairs. This is what I was talking to you guys about, a temporary makeshift kitchen with all the amenities one might need. This carpet here we are going to be replacing with a new floor after we're done with the kitchen project, so hopefully in March or April. Let me show you what floor we are going to be using in this room. It's all in this studio. All this stuff here is stuff we either ordered for the kitchen project that's been coming in, or the floor. So this right here, these is the flooring they're going to be putting down in the family room, and we actually started thinking that quite possibly we might want to put that in the new kitchen or main floor reno. Might be too late to make that adjustment, but we're gonna ask tomorrow to see if that is something that we can quite possibly do, because it'd be nice to have the flooring flow from the main floor down to the family room. So we'll see. I don't know. That's all I got for this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you liked this video. If you did, do give it a nice thumbs up. Subscribe if you have any comments. That is not what I'm trying to say. Subscribe if you haven't. And if you have any comments, questions, suggestions, are you going through this, or have been going through this, or are going to be going through some sort of renovation rehab project? Let me know down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. And like always, keep on living a modern lifestyle through technology. Peace.